of a 95 Mustang GT V8. This would make a good project. What do y'all think? Would you do this as a project? It has over, it's like 183. I'll go back and look. 183,000. I think 270 on the dash. Needs some body work, paint, fenders, and everything. Bumper, front bumper, headlights. Interior could use some cleaning. Yeah, they're asking 1,000 or best offer. It says it doesn't say if it runs or not. It has a reconstructed title or application for so I guess they haven't applied for the title, reconstructed title. It says they have the application for it. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the Mustang. Okay, right here you have a 1992 Ford Tempo for $350. I haven't seen these in a very long time. It says it runs and drives. It's a good demolition car, they said. I think that would just be stupid. Just find the title. Says they do not have the title. $350 or best offer. I'm seeing a lot of cars that people are selling that do not have the title, or they'll put "don't ask me to get the title." It's not that hard just to go into the DMV and get a duplicate title. I don't understand that, but there's ways of getting a title if you buy a vehicle that they're selling without a title. I would get a bill of sale, and also be cautious because making sure obviously the vehicle's not stolen. But Ford Tempo, I haven't seen these in a long time. These are pretty okay cars. My brother used to have a Ford Tempo, a little bucket. Of course, he crashed it. It doesn't say how many miles. What do y'all think about the Ford Tempo? Right here, you have a 2003 Mini Coupe. You guys, this is a steal. I'm really interested in this. 102 on the dash. 102,000. It says it runs fine. It needs power steering pump. It says their son backed into someone, and then his friend backed into the passenger door. Laugh out loud. Does have a cold air intake and upgraded ignition. New plugs and wires. Was our backup car for years. Don't have time to fix it, and the driveway is full. You can get a new hatch on eBay for a few hundred, and or door for less. Fix up for your grand or to resell $350. I mean, shoot, you can go to the junkyard and get one for cheaper. It's an automatic. I wish they would have put the damage. I'm not seeing it. Do y'all see it in the driver door? I'm not seeing the damage. That would be a dope project right there. I'm guessing they messed the back door up. I would like to see it. At least check, see what the back door looks like. They're not showing the damage in the pictures. So they're saying to get a new hatch. Obviously, I imagine that there's a dent in the back. Not really a problem. $350 Mini Coupe. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about that. A $350 Mini Coupe. That could be awesome. Right here. Super classic Ford. 1964 Ford F100. They don't have, it just says best offer. They didn't put a price. I don't get that. Obviously, it's a project. You can see that this thing has been obviously probably sitting for years. It looks like it's buried in the ground in the back. It probably doesn't run. It definitely needs to be painted. Could use some body work and all of that. Yeah, not bad looking though. As far as the outside, it just looks like it needs, a good sand down, some painting, and a little, body work. It doesn't look bad at all. Besides, you know, needing a paint job. They didn't give details on if it ran or not, but could be a good project for someone. Okay, you guys, right here we got a Chevy Caprice 89. Pretty good looking car. I like these Caprices. I love the boxes. It has some damage. It has a little bit of damage right there on the fender. The rims, I'm not sure what's up with the rims. Black and white rims don't go with the two-tone paint job that they have on the car. It does appear that it needs repainted on the hood. Yeah, it says it's a 5.7 Vortec 700 R4 transmission. No rust issues. It does say that it could use some work on the headliner, driver side door handle, and then also the passenger fender as we saw in the picture. And out, y'all, a 2008 Dodge Avenger RT for $840, 133,000 miles on the dash, and it's a part out. As you can see, this thing is crunched. Like, ouch. That is, whoo, it's hurting. This thing looks like it was rolled for sure. Passenger side is just crunched all up, missing the mirror. Front bumper is pretty messed up on the lower lip there. It says that it has, let me see, a new transmission. And then I guess, are they asking $350 for the rims? I mean, I don't know. It could be damaged. Wow. And you know, we have to look at some classic cars. A 1966 Plymouth Sport Fury. You know, I have to look at classic cars. 55,000 miles on the dash. They're asking $9,000 for it. It says it's very solid. It's driven as is. 383 big block, 727 torque flight. Original miles, garage kept. Owner before these people right here, they said had a bad paint job done, not all hacked up, all original. Runs and drives, shifts great, seeing what's out there. We'll consider other Mopar trades. Let's take a look at it. It looks pretty good. I mean, I don't see anything bad about the paint, unless they gotta repaint it. But it looks pretty good. I love these classics. They're just beautiful. Alright, well, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. If you have not already, please subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share them. Until next time.
Goodbye. Bye.